Hey, y'all, how y'all doing? Good to see you. I want to say thank you all that sent me some stuff in the mail. I have a mail haul today, and we're going to start with Miss Kim's girl. She does some great work. She have jewelry, y'all. She has diamond painting pens. She have regular pens. She have I forgot what you call them things that you use on your phone. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But she make those. She hand make those. And let me show you what I received. And this is, and she hand make these, y'all. Look, trying not to be extra. Oh, look at this. Y'all, isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. And then I have another one. You know, y'all know I'm extra. When I see stuff I like, you know. The stylus, that's what it's called. A stylus. Look. Yo, I got to stitch. Ha ha. Yeah, she showed it today on her channel. I got to stitch stylus. Oh yeah, I'm great to have some fun with my phone. I'm great to, and she wanted to send me a thank you. And she sent me some earrings. You know, I'm gonna put these babies on. I go on my trip, I'm gonna have these on. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna wear them. I'm sporting them. Yes. And thank you so much, Miss Kim. I really appreciate you. I received some seeds. You know, I like seeds. I received some seeds, and it was a surprise. I didn't know they were coming. And from Real Kitchen and Garden Diva. Girl, I'm gonna have a video. I might have a long video because I'm dropping these seeds, baby. Yes. Sahara. What? I don't even know what it is, but I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna look it up and find out what it is, but I'm dropping it. She sent me some pimpin' golden honey pepper. Yeah, I'm gonna drop these. Well, actually, I'm gonna have to drop these today. You know, yeah, they're gonna get dropped today. And then some basil. Yes, this is gonna get dropped too. And some onions. Yeah, they going out there too. I don't know. How you know I like lima beans? She didn't send me some lima beans. Look, I got some kale, some mo kale, you know, and some yard long green beans. Try these out. Yes, and yes, I need some of this, and it's a niece. I'm gonna drop these, and what is this? Amana orange tomato. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and some mixed salad. And you know, the girl needs some salad in her life. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate you. But yeah, I'm getting ready to drop these. Yes, indeed. Real Kitchen Garden Diva. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I really appreciate that. And we have Miss Peachnut sent me all these seeds to send out. And they're pretty much the same seeds that I already been, that everybody was asking for. So I have these packets of seeds, and she actually broke them down for me. Thank you, Miss Peachnut. I really appreciate you. I don't have to do, go through all them bags and everything, because I was like, wait a minute. And that's what I forgot to order some more bags. So when we do this again, I'll be already ready. But I want to say thank you so much for thinking of everyone, Miss Peachnut, and sharing the love. Thank you, and thank you. And I forgot to open this up, y'all. No, my phone should see this stuff. There. Oops. I better be careful sticking these scissors in here. I don't want to cut my yarn, baby. But I got some yarn from Mama G Gear and Rusty. Ladies, I love y'all. Look, oh, she packed this up so pretty. It's in a bag, y'all. Y'all know purple is my color. And it smells so good, girl. Why you got it smelling so good over here? Y'all, this stuff's... I ain't being extra, but it smells good. Look at the colors. Oh, now, I wonder if I can make me a bag out of this. Well, we'll see. Because it's going to be mine. Whatever I make out of this is mine. You know, this is some expensive yarn. This is the good stuff. I don't even know if I want to crochet anything with it because this is the good stuff. $50 a while. Look. Yes. Okay. But it smells so good. Girl. And you dyed this yourself. Oh my. And you dyed this yourself. But y'all, this is so pretty. Now you make me want to buy some more just to get the smell. I know I ain't right over here. But I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you all haven't been over there to Mama G Gear's channel, go over there and check her out. She has a lot of dyed yarn. She dyes it herself. And oh God, it smells so good. Y'all have a good one, and it takes patience to be in the garden.